Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, last class we discussed the examples, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions, and I given an example based on that tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. That one we are doing by normal method or by the method of which substitution method. The same examples now we will continue. Okay, we will do one by one based on that. That is first example, y equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Find dy by dx. Y equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, then find dy by dx. For this there are two methods. One is normal form, we can apply sin inverse x formula, then u by v method, then simplification. Instead of doing that lengthy process, better we can substitute x value. And remember that usually the value of x we prefer very first tan. If tan does not exist, next we can go for cos, and lastly sin. Remember that either you can substitute with three values. We will take here, put x is equal to tan theta. If we substitute x is tan theta, we will get by definition of inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse x is theta. Okay, and next y equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus x square, 1 plus tan square theta. Correct. Next, see, we know the formula. We have the formula sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula is what? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, replace this one is in the form of y equal to sin inverse sin of 2 theta. Okay, and next we know that, see, sin inverse sin of x in inverse trigonometric function, it is x. Therefore, our x is what here? 2 theta. Therefore, we can write this one is only in the form of 2 theta. And y as it is 2, what is our theta? Because we convert in terms of x, theta is tan inverse x. Okay, next. But we want here dy by dx. This is just what we have done, simplification. Therefore, differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy by dx to as it is, and we know that differentiation of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, the answer is 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, in this way we can do the example. Instead of doing lengthy process, we can apply directly by the method of substitution. And such type of examples are asked in the exam for 3 marks question. Remember that differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions by the method of substitution. If simple example is there, then they will give 2 marks. If it is a little bit a lengthy process, then it carries 3 marks. Okay. We will take next example. After knowing this one, we take next example. Next example, same as usual, find dy by dx. If y equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Find dy by dx. Mentioned. We have to calculate dy by dx. As usual, what I mentioned, very first step is substitute x is tan theta. If tan does not hold good, next we can go for cos. Next we can go for sin. Okay, we will take substitute. Put x is tan theta. Then we get tan inverse x is theta. Substitute here. We get y is equal to tan inverse 3 x is tan theta, 3 tan theta divided by x cube minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. See, we have the formula y is equal to tan inverse. See, we have the formula 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Already I have given in the previous class. That is tan 3 theta. Correct? Tan 3 theta can be written as this. And we know that this is tan inverse tan of x. Tan inverse tan of x, we have the formula. Correct? We have the formula tan inverse tan of x is x. Therefore, our x is what here? 3 theta. Therefore, we can write this one as y is equal to 3 theta. And y is equal to 3 theta. Theta is tan inverse x. Just what we have done here? Simplification. Next, we can do the differentiation. Differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy by dx. 3 differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. In this way, we can do the example. And it is 2 marks question. Simple example. Just write down the answer. Okay, we will take next example. Next is y is equal to cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Y is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. For this, just concentrate. Very first, I mentioned put x is tan theta, correct? Okay, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. We have the formula 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta, correct? Okay, therefore, substitute put x is tan theta. We get tan inverse x is theta. Then y is equal to cos inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and just now very first example I solved. What 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta represent? Sin 2 theta. Cos inverse sin 2 theta. But we don't have the formula cos inverse of sin. But see, cos inverse of sin theta. Cos inverse of sin theta can be written as cos inverse cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Correct? According to ASTC rule, pi by 2 minus theta, 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant and it is a complementary angle. Cos 90 minus theta. Please concentrate. Cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Therefore, cos inverse of sin theta can be written as cos inverse of pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore, we can write this one as y is equal to cos inverse of pi by 2 minus theta is what here? 2 theta. Our theta is 2 theta. Next, and we know that cos inverse cos of x, we have the formula. Cos inverse cos of x is what? X. But our x is what here? This is our x. Therefore, we can write this one as pi by 2 minus 2 theta is 1. Or y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2. Theta is what? Tan inverse x is 1. Then next, differentiate y with respect to x. Then we get dy by dx. Constant differentiation is 0 minus 2. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, dy by dx, we can write this one is minus 2 by 1 by 1 plus x square. This way we can do the example. Just write down the answer. We take next case. Next example is y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Y equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, as you shall see, what put x equal to tan theta and tan inverse x is theta. Okay, then we get y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And we can write this one as cos inverse. See, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, we have the formula cos 2 theta. Correct? Next, y is equal to, this is cos inverse of cos of x. And we have the formula cos inverse of cos of x is x. Therefore, our x is over here 2 theta. So 2 theta. Then y equal to 2 theta is tan inverse x. Then do the differentiation. Differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy by dx is 2. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x squared. This way we can do the example. Okay, we'll take next. Next example is y is sin inverse 2x root of 1 minus x square. Y is sin inverse 2x root of 1 minus x square. Next, see, put x equal to tan theta. If you substitute x is tan theta, we don't have the formula. Therefore, better we can take, put x is either sin theta or cos theta. Correct? We will take put x is sin theta. Anyone you can take either sin theta or cos theta. And sin inverse x is theta by definition of inverse trigonometric functions. Then we can write y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta root of 1 minus sin square theta. Apply x is sin theta. Correct? And we can write this one as sin inverse 2 sin theta. Correct? See, we have the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, then we'll get it is cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, or cos theta is root of 1 minus sin square theta. Did you understand? Okay, using the first year. Therefore, root of 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos theta. And we have the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta. And it is exactly in the form of sin inverse sin of x. And we know the formula sin inverse sin of x is x. Therefore, y is equal to 2 theta. Y equal to 2 theta is what? Sin inverse x. Then do the differentiation. Differentiate y with respect to x. You get dy by dx. So as it is, differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, in this way we can do the example. Means either you can substitute x is tan theta, cos theta, sin theta, depends upon the example. Okay, we will take next one. Next example is y is equal to sec inverse, is equal to sec inverse 1 divided by 2x square minus 1. Okay, see we have the formula, just concentrate, we have the formula in trigonometric functions. Sec inverse x is cos inverse 1 by x. Correct? Or rewrite sec inverse 1 by x is cos inverse x. Okay. Okay. This is the formula. You have to remember this one. Next, see here we will substitute. Put x is equal to cos theta, we take cos theta. Cos inverse x is, why we take cos, just I will explain. Sec reciprocal is cos, just now I explained. Therefore we have to take, if we substitute x is cos theta, then only it is converted in terms of cos or sec of sec, any one. Therefore we are substituting x is equal to cos theta. Then y is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1, and we get it is sec inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1, already I have given formula, cos 2 theta. Correct? Means we can write y is equal to sec inverse 1 by cos, we have the formula 1 by cos is sec 2 theta, because we have the formula 1 by cos is sec. Next, we know that sec inverse sec of x is x. Therefore, we can apply y equal to 2 theta. Then do the differentiation. Differentiate y with respect to x. For that, first we simplify y equal to 2. Theta is what? Cos inverse x. But then do the differentiation. dy by dx. 2 as it is, differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Or dy by dx is minus 2 by root of 1 minus square. In this way, we can do the example. Similarly, I will give 2-3 examples for homework. Please try to solve that example in home. And remember that for differentiation we need what? Trigonometry. Please thorough trigonometry and inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Find dy by dx. If 1 by 1 example I will give. First one, y is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Y is equal to, second example, sin inverse, not sin inverse, cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Third example, y equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus 6. Please try to solve these 3 examples. I will give hint. Okay, see here, if you substitute x is sin theta, you will get the answer. Here, x is cos theta, here x is tan theta. See, simple examples. Try to solve. Okay, thank you. I hope understand. These are the examples based on differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions by the method of substitution. Such type of examples are asked in the exam, either 2 marks or maximum 3 marks. Fixed question. Okay, thank you.